Samantala, matapos maungusan ng Pilipinas ang bansang India nang may pinakamalaking bilang ng mga kumpanya at manggagawa ng call center, inaasahan na mas malaki ang maiaambag nito sa industriya sa paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami Arab Perez.
Nanatiling malakas ang manufacturing sector sa bansa. Noong Pebrero, tumaas ito ng 12%. Kasunod din nito ang pagbubukas ng mas maraming trabaho, lalong-lalo na sa iba't ibang probinsya. Malaki ang naitutulong ng reforma ng Administrasyong Aquino sa iba't ibang sektor. Sa pagpuksa sa red tape, mas maraming foreign direct investments ang pumapasok sa bansa. Ang mas maayos na pamamalakad sa mga negosyo, ang mas pinalawig na kompetisyon ng bansa sa World Economic Forum at ang 3 credit upgrades ay nakatulong din sa pag-angat ng ekonomiya. Kabilang sa may mataas na record sa manufacturing sector ang machineries, petroleum, semiconductors, chemicals, metal and wood products at power and construction. Ayon kay Trade Secretary Gregory Domingo, ang lahat ng positibong resultang ito sa bansa ay nakatutulong sa ekonomiya.
Manufacturing is really because of primarily one of the confidence now in the government that we're doing the right policies to support a good business environment. And secondly, it's also what is going on around us in terms of what's going on in China and the surrounding countries in ASEAN, wherein their cost relative to the Philippines have gone up much faster over the last 5 years. And as a result, Philippines has become much more competitive, cost-wise. And our value proposition has always been that we have very good human resources, very capable, English-speaking, very loyal. And you couple that with a more competitive cost structure for labor, and then we become a very good location now for manufacturing.
Samantala, malaki rin ang positibong dulot ng business processing outsourcing sector. Katunayan, maaari pa nitong maungusan ang remittances ng OFWs matapos ang 5 taon. Noong nakaraang taon, ang BPO industry ay kumita ng $15 billion, samantalang pumalo naman sa $23 billion ang OFW remittances.
Well, BPO is doing really well. By the end of this year, we'll exceed 1 million direct jobs in the BPO area, and the statements of the industry players is that the growth doesn't seem to be abating. In fact, it seems to be accelerating even with a much bigger base for this industry. So I think they're on target to meet their objectives.
Ayon kay Domingo, ipamamalas ang masiglang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas sa World Economic Forum na gaganapin sa bansa sa darating na Mayo. Dagdag pa ni Domingo, si Pangulong Aquino mismo ang nagtakda ng mandato sa magandang ekonomiya ng bansa.
So we're very excited that the World Economic Forum edition is here in Manila this year. And we're expecting a lot of very high-level people coming to town, and we're preparing for them. And we want to showcase the best of what we have to offer, and so that they can see for themselves how vibrant the economy is and how modern the Manila is showing at this point.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.